Hello, it's Thursday, July the 15th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened versus most majors as FOMC minutes lowered GDP forecasts and awakened fears of deflation among investors, making the greenback less appealing as risk grows. Retail sales data came out lower than expected at minus 0.5% versus minus 0.2%. Today, initial jobless claims data is expected at 449,000 versus 454,000 prior. The euro weakened slightly against most currencies while holding against the US dollar as the EU industrial production data failed expectations at 0.9% versus 1.2%, with CPI data coming out as expected. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 126.81 and a high of 127.76. Today, the ECB monthly report is due out, giving information on various economic issues as well as a growth outlook. The pound rose versus the dollar and all majors, breaking resistance at 152.42 as the unemployment rate came out better than expected, with 7.8% versus 7.9%. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 151.69 and a high of 152.94. No economic data is expected today. The yen strengthened versus the dollar on speculation around the Bank of Japan's rate decision. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 88.05 and a high of 89.09. Again, no important economic data is expected for today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This dropped against the US dollar and all major currencies as oil prices declined. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.84 and a high of 103.69. Today, manufacturing sales data is expected at 0.4% versus 0.2% prior. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.